Insured and uninsured costs. It is usually possible to take out insurance to cover some of the losses that might foreseeably occur to an organization. In most countries it is compulsory to take out employers' liability insurance so that if a worker is killed or injured at work there is insurance in place to pay that worker, or their dependents, compensation and to meet the employer's civil costs. As well as meeting a legal requirement, this insurance may provide some comfort to workers, knowing that in the event of an injury the employer is insured to compensate them financially. Similarly, it is usual for an employer to insure their premises and stock against fire. However, it is not possible to insure against all losses. Some losses are uninsurable by their very nature. For example, you cannot take out an insurance policy to pay money should you be prosecuted and fined in the criminal law courts, as it would no longer act as an effective deterrent. Other losses cannot be insured against because the loss is too difficult to quantify, or because the insurance would be too expensive to consider. For example, organizations cannot insure themselves against loss of revenue if their business reputation is damaged as a result of a major workplace accident. There is no law that prevents this type of insurance, but it is simply not offered by insurance providers. Many of the direct and indirect costs associated with workplace accidents are uninsured for these reasons. The British regulator, the Health and Safety Executive, House, have estimated that uninsured losses are between 8 and 36 times greater than insured losses. They provide a rough average figure of 10 times. This is sometimes referred to as the uninsured loss iceberg, because the greater losses are unseen below the waterline, and are quite capable of sinking the ship. Topic focus. Examples of possible insured and uninsured losses include: insured costs, damage to plant, buildings and equipment, compensation paid to workers, medical costs, legal costs associated with a legal claim for compensation, uninsured costs, production delays or downtime, loss of raw materials due to accidents, accident investigation time, criminal fines and legal costs, sick pay for injured workers, overtime to make up for lost production, hiring and training new employees, loss of business reputation. It is worth remembering that, even if a loss is covered by insurance, most insurance policies come with an excess and with a limit. The excess is the amount of money that will be payable by the organization before any payment is forthcoming from the insurer, e.g. the first £5,000 of any claim. The limit is the cap above which the insurer will not pay, e.g. if you have £2 million building and contents fire insurance but it costs £3 million to rebuild and restock your premises, then the insurer will only pay the first £2 million, and the remaining sum is uninsured.